Hello everyone, it's me Arpana Goha. Welcome you to my YouTube channel. So today my video is based on product review, and the product that I'm going to review today is based on my personal experience. So if you like the video, do like, comment and share my video, as your like comments will keep me motivated. And please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon near the subscribe button, as your subscription will help me in growing my channel. So without wasting any time, let's move to the review part. So the first product that I have taken for review is this liner. This liner is by Maybelline New York, and it's named as the Colossal Liner. And the look of this liner of something like this, like a pan. And in the inside look of this liner is it has a felt tip, and it looks somewhat like this. And the tip is really very flexible. It moves wherever you want to make the movement. It gets moved in that way. It's really very flexible. And coming to its packaging, when I bought it for the first time, then its packaging was fully covered with with plastic. It was fully covered with plastic, and you need to remove the plastic and it's ready to use. And this label, which you can see over here, it doesn't stay here. It stays with the plastic with which it was packed. So what I did is I took it out from there, and then I pasted it over here just to keep in track the price, the net content and the expiry date. So for that reason I have pasted it over here. So now moving to how much it contains, what's its price and how long it lasts. Then it contains 1.2 ml, and its price is rupees 420. The price might vary a little bit because I have bought this in last, maybe it has passed 1 year when I bought this product. So the price might vary. And how long this liner lasts, then it lasts almost for 2 months to say. So it's long lasting uh, to say. And then going to the product, whether I liked it or means my personal view, then to say I didn't like this product much. The reason for not liking is the look is good, it has a flexible felt tip. But the reason why I didn't like this product is that when I applied this product, it was like it got applied in one area, then the other part of the area it didn't got applied. Then I need to struggle applying this product really very much. And then after, when it get applied nicely, after struggling a lot, then the problem that I faced is that after 2 to 3 hours, uh, alternately it gets removed by itself. Like half part it will remain, the liner will remain, and then it will form a line where the liner will get removed by its own, then the other half part it will remain. Alternately it gives that problem. So that's the reason I didn't like this product. If someone asks me whether I recommend this product or not, then I won't recommend this product to any of my viewers or anyone who ask about this product. So that's all about this product. Now I'll move to my next product. So the next product that I have took for review is this liner by L'Oreal Paris, and it's named as, did I say L'Oreal Paris? I think so. Maybe I had just slip of my tongue. So it's by L'Oreal Paris, and it's named as Super Liner, and in the below it's written as Superstar Duo Designer. So that's its name. Now it too has a pencil like look, but it has two ends. One it's of pencil and a pencil tip, it has a pencil tip, and the other it has a felt tip. So the felt tip is of black in color, and the pencil tip is of silver in color. So I'm going to show you both the tips. So you can see this is the pencil tip with silver in color. Then the felt tip, it's black in color. So moving to its packaging, it too comes in packed in a plastic cover. It's fully packed, you just need to remove it and it's ready to use. And then this label, you can see this level. It doesn't stay over here as well. I have removed it from the packet as well, and I have uh, pasted it over here as usual to keep in mind the price, the content, the expiry date. To keep in mind all of this thing, I have put this over here. So now moving to how much it contains, how long it lasts, and what's its price. Then uh, it contained as, it has written as 0.1 gram, means g plus 0.55. So I think this side it's indicating as 0.1 gram, and then this side it's indicating, cause it's showing over this side, so maybe this side it contains 0.55 gram. And going to its price is rupees 699. But and then how long does it last? Though it costs though it cost 699 rupees, but yes, it's long lasting. And uh, it lasts at least for 2 months, 2 to 3 months. It lasts very nicely. And now moving to how much I like this product and whether I dislike this product, then I definitely like this product a lot. I need not struggle with this product. Applying this product, I need not struggle at all. It gets applied very nicely and smoothly, and it gives you a glossy look, a shiny look. So I like this product a lot. And I have used it many times, and I like this product very much. So if someone asks me whether I recommend this product, then I definitely will recommend this product, even though it cost is little bit more, for little bit more like 699. It becomes too costly for some. But yes, if you buy this, you won't regret. And you won't regret, and you will feel nice, very nice to use it. uh, so I like this product very much. So moving to the next product, I have taken this Lakme liner. It's Lakme Insta liner. So you can see it comes in a bottle like this, and the applicator of this, it has a brush. So you can see the brush. So now moving to how much it contains, what's its price. The price is not written over here. It doesn't say written. I have never find in Lakme liner written the price, but its net content is written over here. It's written as 9. It contains 9 ml. And so the price is, when I bought this, I bought it 1 year ago, and it's lasting still yet. So its price was 150 rupees when I bought that. So, and it's really very long lasting. It will go 6 months to 1 year. Minimum it will go 6 months, and maximum it goes to 1 year. So, and I like this product a lot. If you get the trick how to apply a liquid liner, then it gets applied within very few minutes, and it's long lasting as well. Even though it comes in contact with water, uh, it doesn't get removed very easily. It stays in our face. It's long, means not in face, sorry. It stays in our eyes, but and it's long lasting. And it's my base product, means I feel this product, it's the favorite product of mine. I like using this product, and it comes in budget. For example, we are out of our money. We have we are having sort of money, then shortage of money, then you can use this product. It's really very nice, and I hope you like it if you use. And if you like this product, do let me know in the comment section below. So all the product that I have reviewed today is easily available on the market. You can just go over in the market and buy it from there, or you'll find it in any website, in any beauty website like Nykaa, in Amazon. You might find it in Flipkart as well, and in various like purple.com. You'll find it anywhere. So you can just if you don't want to buy from the market, you can go and check in any website. You will find these products as well. So that's all for today's video. See you on my next video. Till then, me Arpana Gohai signing off from this video. Tata.